Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet felt crochet on a circle. So this is a felt paper and this is how it looks like. It bends. So I'm going to crochet in each of the holes. As you can see here, I've made a seam. So let's get started. So I'm going to insert my hook there and I'm going to bring through a slip knot. Then instead of making a slip knot there, we're going to come here, pull through that way. So if you don't want your stitches to get tightened, you just pull through a little bit, hold, pull through gently, as so, pull through again, insert that way, pull through, hold, pull through, insert, like so, pull through, pull through, pull through again, the last hook, hold, sorry, and pull through again. Then I'm going to pull through, cut this yarn over here, pull through, right over there, that way, as you can see. Right there. So this is how it's going to look like. Then I'm going to pull this hook there, then behind, just weave it inside that way. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. You can learn how to make this first before you start weaving a basket or weaving a crochet basket, or any type of design. If you want to make, you can also make nap for placing your cups or plates or whichever crochet project you like. So see you next time in my video. Bye bye. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share as much more. Bye. See you in my next video.